The Melbourne Court has heard the former federal MP Craig Thomson misused union funds to pay for pornography and prostitutes, as well as lavish dinners and trips away with his wife. A year after he was charged, the fraud case against the former National Secretary of the Health Services Union was finally detailed in court today. As Sarah Farnsworth reports, Thomson is facing 145 dishonesty charges.
Back in court, Craig Thomson formally pleaded not guilty to misusing Health Services Union funds over a 5-year period. He's charged with misappropriating nearly $28,500. Most of that stems from his time as the National Secretary of the HSU, but also includes nearly $2,000 from when he was a federal MP. Opening the case, the prosecutor outlined 66 events, 33 of which involved Thomson purchasing sexual services or X-rated movies at hotels right across the country. The prosecution said Thomson used escort agencies such as Boardroom Escorts and Tiffany's Girls, and on one night alone it's alleged he spent $2,500 on sexual services. The court was told some of the bookings were made when he was travelling for union executive and ALP meetings, and he'd often use the alias Jeff Thomson.
Mr. Thomson, are you embarrassed by the nature of these charges that were read out today?
It's also alleged Thomson used union money to buy flights for his wife, luxury trips away and lavish dinners.
The prosecutor argued that not only was it common knowledge that HSU funds couldn't be used for personal expenses, but Craig Thomson himself drafted the union policy on just that back in 2005.
Evidence in the case will begin tomorrow, and the prosecution is also trying to have 79 charges that were struck out by the magistrate reinstated. Sarah Farnsworth, ABC News, Melbourne.